What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I am T. I am your host. How about a Mojonixon update? It's been a minute since we've talked about Mojonixon. It was pretty rotten. We knew the one wall on the driver's side was, but as we dig deeper in, even this side, which looked decent, and that had actually been reskinned partially, and this area here, you could definitely tell that there was still issues, and it was going to take a serious effort, complete reconstruction anyway. So even if I wanted to make this a motorhome again, I'd have to get to this point. We're tearing it all the way down. We're partly there. It does look like I need to make a dump run. How's that for a teardown? And we're not done yet. Still got the rest of this wooden deck to remove. But then Mojonixon will be Moho flatbed or Mo flatbed Nixon or something. The walls completely removed. A dump run made. Now we just got to finish tearing off the deck. I've seen some where they cut a lot less. Like literally half of this. You know, bring it in just enough, you know, to be past that opening on the fold down bed portion of things. But we've got straight up a full convertible. I'm anxious to cruise around in Moho like this. Also have to refasten the taillight somehow. Bunch of scrap metal to deal with. Still got to deal with the skin, the siding. Speaking of Moho stuff, there's a Moho Motivator 440 down there behind the flower pattern seats on top of this LT gray that hasn't ran in years. Too many projects. Moho's come a long way from being a rotten motorhome to a convertible flatbed, and we're not done yet. If you're in Utah and want any of these appliances out of Mojonixon, you can have them. Hit me up. Let me know. Got a fridge. I don't know if it works. I've got a water heater, a stove, and a furnace, some miscellaneous lights. Well, here's what a Class C motorhome looks like after you rip the home off of it. And it's definitely kind of curious how they make the motorhome out of it. We basically have a van, and sections of that van are cut away. And a platform is slowly built upon it. Basically a wooden deck, bolted in several spots. And so now we have a van, Moho van Nixon. There's the name. Moho van Nixon. Sold. I'm down with that. Now we just need to figure out what's next. But yeah, what's next? What are we going to do with this thing? I honestly don't know at the moment. As it sits, if I were to lop the back end off, could turn it into a little side-by-side hauler. Or I could keep the length of the motorhome and just change the angle of the dangle, turn it into a ramp truck. But there's options, so we'll see what happens. Next time I mess with this, I'm going to bring a battery over and fire it up, try and drive it around. Got to get a couple of little miscellaneous things pulled off of there. But yeah, I want to drive the convertible motorhome. Good times. Good times. what happens next for Moho Van Nixon. And of course, I'll keep you posted. Thanks for watching.